Starting from this video, I would like to let you know that I plan to begin thoroughly testing my DIY smart door lock project, using both the software components and the hardware parts together. When I don't have a key, I want to be able to open this door from the outside. For this video, I'll be using an sg90 servo and an ESP32, a C3 version, a small development board, and a data cable. Let's move the camera down a bit. You can see these items on the table. Why did I choose this setup? First, this is the servo. For the servo, I've already attached this rotatable accessory with a hole in it. But without power, I can't move it by hand right now. Now let's look at this connector. This is the ESP32C3. Let's take a look at this connector. The accessory that came with it is a set of 3 wires joined together. And the pins on the ESP32C3 are just right for this. GND 5 volts and the data line are arranged in a row, so I can plug them directly into these 3 holes. That's why I'm using this board. It can also achieve the effect I want with MacPython. For now, I'm not using Yet Home or Home Assistant. Now let's look at the data cable. As for the data cable, I just found a random Type-C cable to use for flashing it. Hold on, this gimbal is used to flash MicroPython firmware onto it, and also to write some code. That's it for this video for now. I'll still be using this gimbal, but I'm not very familiar with it yet. I'll also need a bigger table later, since this one is pretty small. Alright, that's it for the hardware introduction. Next, I'll start setting up his firmware and writing the most basic servo code to make it turn 180 degrees to the left and to the right. By moving it back and forth like this, I can test whether it can actually pull our door lock. If it works, then we can consider the next steps, like the battery communication and fixing the position of the door lock. Previously, I just used double-sided tape to stick it onto the door, which also worked, and then used the AA battery holder. That's it for this video.